Whoa, okay, the inanimate insanity, very inanimate, was good. Oh my gosh, there's a wasp in my house. Hold up! Oh gosh. Okay, wait a second, there's like a wasp here and she's like moving. Okay, nice. Oh, it's a carpenter bee. Why is there a carpenter bee? Okay, anyways, today we're going to rate some inanimate insanity season 2 characters. This is sexy, favorite, good, decent, not bad, bad. I see who you are. You are my enemy. My enemy. You are my enemy. Okay, well, first off, we're going to start with. Okay, this is like. Okay, we're going to be selecting teams too. The bright lights and the grand slams. Here, okay. Today we're starting with box. Oh wait, hold up. Okay, then we're going to start off with box. Box, overrated, kind of overrated, but I would make box going bad. I don't see anything special about him. Okay, next going to be, wait, teams already. Okay, grand slams, good. The drama here, not drama. Okay. Grand slams here, good. Okay, and next paintbrush. Paintbrush. I like paintbrush. She or he, it. I don't know, but her or his relationship with Lightbulb when Lightbulb gave Baxter to paintbrush. You're gonna go into favorite. Yeah, alright, I just love drawing you in school. People don't even know him. Okay, toilet. I like toilet. Go to sexy. Very funny, he. Okay, next is going to be Lightbulb. You also go to sexy. My favorite character. Okay, next character is going to be in Cheesy. Cheesy, you go to favorite. I love Cheesy. His jokes and very funny. Okay, next is going to be test tube. Test tube, you go between sexy and favorite. Yeah, test tube. I like you, but it's just hard. I just love drawing you, so I like both of you drawing in school. This is why I love. Test tube is like funny. I love her weird faces. I mean his or her. I forgot to. Okay, whatever. Suitcase. When I first watched Inanimate Insanity season 2, I thought Suitcase was just a very boring and plain character. But now Inanimate Insanity season 2, 11 and onwards, you're going to favorite. But if I started the tier list like before Inanimate Insanity season 2 episode like 5, I would put you in bad. Okay, next is character going to be Yin Yang. You go to favorite. Yin Yang's pretty funny. But how about it actually I don't know. Okay, next is going to be fat. You go to sexy. Here, watch it, all my favorite characters. It's already like this. Already. Balloon. My balloon got eliminated. I literally cried, so you go to good. Knife. You're pretty good, but you're going to decent. Here. I just like Knife, but I don't like him that much. The cherries. The cherries is going to not bad. The cherries is like a pretty average. I would put him or them in decent, but I didn't really get to know him. I didn't really get to know them that much, so I had to put them in not bad. Next is going to be apple. Apple relation with marshmallow, but the episode like the haunted mansion like really ruined the friendship, and it made me and I thought Apple was just a big jerk. But nowadays I see black hole as no, not black hole, Apple as decent. She got eliminated. Okay, next is marshmallow. You go with apple. Actually, I didn't. Actually, I know marshmallow always gets bullied by knife, but she has to go to good. Not with apple. Sorry. The bright lights. The bright lights is one of my favorite teams, but red lights having tissue is like pretty annoying, so I'm gonna have to put red lights and good. Microphone. I'm surprised she's even. I'm not surprised that these so-called annoying characters that Mephone called. I'm putting her in decent. No one is literally in my. I see who you are. You are my enemy yet. Okay. Baseball. I don't know. Her hanging suitcase just made me, I mean him. I don't know. I hope baseball is not bad. Soap. Soap is, they call soap annoying, but soap is like one of my favorite characters. Here, you go here. Sexy. Tissue. Oh, okay. Tissue, you go to bed first. Wait, no, not first. Okay, next character is going to be, wait, where's Trophy? Okay, Nickel. Yeah, here. Nickel, I hate Nickel. When he got eliminated, I actually danced and hyped. Like, oh my gosh, Nickel. Yay, he got eliminated. Okay, where's Trophy? I forgot to put Trophy. Mephone. Okay, Mephone. Mephone, you got to, like, decent. Okay, and you go to, and you, Meepad, you're better than Mephone. You go to, favorite. Okay, and that's it. Oh, I forgot to put Trophy. Okay, you know what, let's put in Trophy. And that's it. That's the entire thing. Bye-bye.